When we work on a brownfield development project as a visualization company, our absolute main drive is 100% clarity. Uh, Everyone involved in the project needs to be on the same page, whether that's the developer, the architect, or the council. But in real work, it is not always that simple. The data and project ideas can sit in different places. Uh, so our main priority is to collaborate with all parties involved in the project from the beginning. This could include the design team, architect, landscape architect, consultant, project coordinator, developer, or project owner. So our process starts by sitting down directly with the project partners and key stakeholders. We gather all the raw data and thoroughly go through it together. And right after that, we collaborate closely with the entire project team to deeply understand the true purposes or narrative of the development, to understand for us to create the element. Only once that shared purpose is crystal clear, for us to the next step, which is create the proper storyboard. Again, it's a draft level to again discussed with the developer or the parties involved as we are aligned with their thoughts. Then, with the storyboard and the purpose locked in, we collect the specific assets needed to make it happen. We gather the data or project files, reference images, location data, some hotspot areas, and guidelines. Every single piece is chosen to serve that exact purpose. Next, we move into production and deliver the clay version. This is purely about the structure and layout. A lean with GIS data. We send this over, get the feedback from the project team, and use that review to develop the first draft. Once the first draft is created, after we gather and go through reviews again, fix any add or remove any element, and polish the details to develop the second draft. This version is much more in depth, showing real textures and context. Once that second draft is fully approved and proceeded, we then focus closely on human mobility, movement, and how transport flows through the space, making sure the surrounding environment is perfectly captured. At this stage, it's all about the enhancement. At this stage, we review the project one more time against its original purpose. We check if the right details are actually reaching the community. If everything aligns perfectly, only then do we take the project further into final development. As the Chief Technical Officer, this is a very brief look into a much larger, complex process, but it shows how we work to always deliver the best possible output. I just wanted to share this high-level thought process with you today. Thank you